Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Precious Day Vlogs. How are you all? I hope you're doing well and okay. So before I start the video, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and families. And finally, don't forget to comment. So today we're going to make a minced beef kebab. And these kebabs are just mouth-watering. They're so delicious. So do try them out. So here a few of the ingredients that we're going to use is 1 onion chopped and squeeze out the juice. We're going to add some salt, some onion granules, turmeric powder, and Kashmiri garm masala. And here's the black pepper powder and some ginger garlic paste over here. Then just mix it all up. Oh, and some onion granules and garlic granules and some baking powder. Just mix it all up. So after mixing, we're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, which is very good for your health. Just mix it all up. So after mixing, you can either use a dough machine for mixing, or you can use your spoon or your hands, whatever suits you. Make sure that you wash your hands before touching the meat, because if you're using your hands to mix it, but we're here using a dough machine, so it's much easier. So after mixing this, we're going to add some homemade breadcrumbs. It's very easy. You just toast 2 slices of bread and then just grind it in a dry miller. There you go, homemade breadcrumbs. If you prefer breadcrumbs from a supermarket, then you can use any style of breadcrumbs you desire. So just mix this all up. Don't forget to leave out the sides. Take a spoon and mix it up. So now here we're going to add is 1 egg, and then mix it up. There. Mix it very well. Then after mixing this for about 2 to 3 minutes, the mixture, as you can see, okay, so the very last step is we're gonna try to make it into a kebab shapes. So for doing that, we're not gonna use any barbecue sticks. We're just gonna use a spatula. I know this is weird, but yeah, we're gonna use a spatula and just grease it with some oil or butter and just put it on like this over here. Take out the excess, make it into a shape of a kebab, and just remove it. So there, we have a perfect kebab ready. We're gonna fry it in a frying pan, and we're gonna use some cooking oil. And here, as you can see, and we're making some chicken curry that I made. It's very delicious. So if you want the recipe for that, it's gonna be in the description box below. The video is coming to an end. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, everyone, take care, stay safe, stay tuned, love.